Hi everyone, welcome to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily, and in today's tutorial, we'll be crafting a meaningful and naturally radiant piece, a raw stone car suncatcher. Let's go over the process step by step, and don't worry, you can pause anytime to follow along. If you'd like to save time gathering supplies, I also offer a full DIY kit with everything included, from wire to charms. You can check the link in my bio to get yours. Now let's begin. Step 1. Plan your layout. Before you begin assembling anything, it's super helpful to sketch out or lay down your design first. Planning your suncatcher layout gives you a visual guide so you know where each component, flowers, stones, chains, will go. It also ensures a balanced final look. Step 2. Make the floral top cluster. Let's start by creating a delicate flower cluster that will sit at the top of your suncatcher. Take an eye pin and thread on a small crystal chip, then follow with a flower bead. Make sure the flower's inner side faces inward. Use round nose pliers to form a clean loop. Hold the pin near the base of the flower. Bend it at a 90-degree angle. Measure about 1 centimeter from the bend, then cut off the excess pin. Roll the wire inward to form a loop, curling it downward like a spiral. Next, make another one with 1 crystal chip and 1 flower bead. Follow the same steps. Bend near the base. Cut off the excess. And curl into a loop. Repeat this process for all the flower beads you're using. Some can be paired with 1 or 2 chips or different colors for a playful mix. Once all flower elements are looped, combine them onto a new eye pin to form a cluster. You can also add green crystal chips, tiny star-shaped beads, or other accents to give the bouquet dimension. Pro tip: mixing flower colors with subtle greens mimics sunlight filtering through leaves for a soft, natural look. Once your floral bunch is assembled, use a jump ring to attach it to your hanging cord or wire. If you're going for a rustic look, try using a hemp cord or pastel-toned satin string instead of wire. Step 3. Wrap the raw stone cut, a piece of wire between 60 and 80 centimeters, 24 to 31 inches, depending on the size of your stone. Split the wire into 3 or 4 strands, leave about 6 centimeters, 2.3 inches, from one end, then twist together about 2 centimeters, 0.8 inches, of the wire to secure the starting point. Place your raw stone in the center and begin wrapping the wire around it. You can crisscross the strands, make a net pattern, or go with a free-form wrap. It all depends on the style you want. Wrap until you've reached the top of the stone, then twist the wire ends again to secure the top. Bend both ends into small loops. These will be the hanging points. Then, wrap the remaining wires several times around the base of each loop to form a little wire pedestal or holder. Helpful hint: if your stone has sharp angles, wrap the wire tightly around natural crevices to anchor it securely and avoid slippage. Now attach your beautifully wrapped stone to the floral top cluster using a jump ring. Step 4. Create the dangling chains. Cut 3 to 5 pieces of delicate chain, each about 3 to 5 centimeters, 1.2 to 2 inches, long. To the end of each chain, attach flower charms, small crystals, or round beads using jump rings. These dangling strands add movement and extra sparkle, especially when the sunlight hits. Quick tip: vary your chain length slightly to create a graceful, cascading look. Once your chains are complete, connect them all to the bottom loop of your wrapped raw stone. Final check: before you finish, gently tug on each jump ring and loop to make sure everything is tight and secure. This step is especially important for car decor that may sway while you drive. And that's it. You've just created your own raw stone car Suncatcher. It's a beautiful, handcrafted piece that reflects both your creativity and your energy. Whether you hang it in your car, by a sunny window, or gift it to someone you care about, it's sure to bring a sense of peace and sparkle wherever it goes. Thanks for joining me today. If you loved this project, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe to Crystal Flair for more creative tutorials, and tag me with your finished pieces. I'd absolutely love to see them. Until next time, keep shining.